Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rock candy DIY science experiment with Ryan's World Full Guide. Start by measuring sugar and water carefully, then boil until fully dissolved and pour into clean jars. Prepare sticks or strings by wetting and rolling them in sugar so crystals have a seed to cling to. Place lids loosely to slow evaporation and allow crystals to grow undisturbed for several days while checking progress daily. Gather your materials and set up a clean workspace before heating anything. Use a sturdy pot to boil water and gradually stir in sugar until no grains remain. Divide solution into jars and add food coloring if you want colored crystals. Stirring gently distributes color. Seed your sticks or strings and suspend them in the jars so they do not touch the sides. Place jars in a quiet spot and resist moving them. Quick recommendation for busy parents doing experiments with kids. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum picks up sugar and stray crumbs with voice control and smart navigation. It makes post-experiment cleanup almost effortless, and you can joke that it digs crystals as well as your little scientists do. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Boil water and add sugar gradually, stirring constantly to avoid burning and to achieve saturation. Let the solution cool a bit so your seed will stay intact, then suspend the prepared stick or string centrally within the jar. Keep jars in a place with stable temperature and minimal vibrations to encourage even crystal growth. If crystals form on the surface, gently break the film to allow vertical growth on the seed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.